Hello everyone, I'm Viral Gupta. Me and my fellow team member Yanbo will be talking about how we have built a solution to tune models online in production in a way that improves the experimentation velocity and improves the overall productivity of the team. Let us start with a personal pain point we faced. We had a very good system in place to do offline machine learning. That is, we can easily iterate on several feature ideas, as we have a feature library stored within LinkedIn that lets us publish, subscribe to new features. After adding the features, one can train models and look at the offline metrics. But unfortunately, like many practicing ML engineers will say, there isn't a clear way to understand the impact on business metrics without taking the models online and performing A/B tests. Today's recommendation systems optimize for multiple objectives. One way to achieve this is to build single utility models and combine them through linear combination using weights, often called as hyperparameters. Depending on your system complexity, there may be several hyperparameters. Tuning them and running A/B tests on each configuration is expensive and time consuming. In our case, it took us anywhere from 1 to 1.5 months to find a promising variant that we could further ramp. This had tremendous effect on the speed at which we could measure impact and hence operate. In this talk, we will focus on how we used approaches like black box optimization to achieve adaptive tuning capability.
Techniques we built helped us understand how the metrics behaved as a function of the hyperparameters we wanted to tune. The shape of the functions and the smoothness directly affect the ability to find optimal parameters. And in cases when functions were not smooth, it gave us good hints or to start looking for the pseudo metrics, which is the ones that are more correlated to the metrics of interest but are smooth. We will be using the notification recommendation systems as a run example to define the problem and the solution we built. A good example of how LinkedIn notification recommendation works as can be seen on the slide. We have someone sharing an article about the Lyft co-founder on his vision of the driverless cars. If a member has shown the interest in this self-driving startups or engaged with the similar articles or follows related hashtags to the topic, then the models will decide to notify the members in the near real time. We will be talking about how we were able to generalize the solution and build a library to support many more use cases at LinkedIn. We are looking to open source our code base, which is written in Spark and Scala. The solution is currently deployed and used by several teams, including Feed, PUMK, and Ads. We will be going over the details in our talk. Hope to see you all there.